How to check your email and password on Oculus Quest. So if you want to check your email and password on Oculus Quest, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. You can't do that with your application, so open up a browser and then you can search for Oculus login, and you can simply go for the first search, which is login Oculus. And once you've clicked on that, here you need to log into your account. So you can log in with your email or password, or you can go for a login with Facebook, and you need to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, now if you want to check your email and password, then what you can do is simply go for the left, and here you will have your account center, right? So under your account center, you can simply go for personal details, and under your personal details, you can go for account, and you can choose your account. And under your account center, here on the left, you need to again choose for personal details, your contact information. So here you will have your email, right? So this is your email address that you have used. And if you want to check your password, then go back, and then you can go for password and security. And from here, you can simply go for change password, and you can choose your account, and you can simply change your password. Because on Oculus or on Meta, we don't have an option to check our password. So what you can do is simply go for change password, and then you can enter your current password, your new password, and you can simply go for change password, and you can change your password. Or if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password, so that you can reset or recover it and you can know your password. So that's it. That's how you check your email and password on Oculus Quest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.